Hey guys, how to set any song as a ringtone on iPhone. Apple makes this process feel like solving a puzzle, but there is the clean version. Method A, use a GarageBand. Okay, free plus works every time. Download GarageBand from App Store, open it and choose any instrument, right? Once you choose your instrument, what you gotta do, tap track and then loop icon, import your song from files or downloads, trim it to under 30 seconds, tap the arrow on top in My Songs, and long press the project, tap share to ringtone, name it, and export it. And you can go to the settings, sound, right? Settings, find right here, sounds, right? And ringtone, you're gonna find it somewhere here. All right. Method B, website. Go ahead to websites like zedge.net, download MP3, import into GarageBand, and export it, right, to your files. And do the same thing. Go ahead to the settings, sound, then ringtone, find the music somewhere here. All right. So don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.